It's raining, but I still have to do my job. I bring this car inside to do the air compressor for the air conditioning. But I will show you guys first is the beautiful rainbow I ever seen when I took my daughter from school. Oh, nice rainbow, beautiful rainbow, man. Wow, this is the beautiful rainbow I ever seen. Oh look, this is so beautiful. Look at that over there. Wow. We gotta go cross rainbow right in the house there. See, it's still raining and sun is going down. That's why you can see rainbow. Wow, we chasing the rainbows right in that house there. See? Beautiful, man, right there. Nice. Driving home, first time ever. Beautiful rainbows. Beautiful, man. Okay, let's do the car, man. Here's the air compressor. We're gonna replace them on. We did lay underneath there. This one for our r36 wagon, and you buy this one, they come with warranty. That's why we don't want to muck around and pull out and do nothing. And yeah, we have to make sure before we open up the car, and we got some parts to replace. And grab one on eBay. With the very lucky we got this one cheap, and then we gotta put them on. See, this is the second air compressor before we open up once, and we replace the air compressor too. You want to make a job easy. See, my friend put in, he didn't put the bolt inside here. He did not know, and he ripped and pulled it out. There used to be a little gap holding for holding this one here. My friend, he just took it up and ripped the bastard, and he don't ever get a chance to go in. See, they don't know how to put it up properly. That's why it's fucked up here. So easy way is take up the wheels. That's why I jack it up and open here and enter your hand to undo all the bolts, and then the two bolts that holding the frame, and it should come out this way. My friend do a very good job, and he fuck it up. Or Torx bolt, just undo the ferry here, and you can undo here all the way underneath, and you can pop this one out. But later you have to fix this one, make it beautiful good nick to get inside here. Don't let it pop out, because the dodgy boy done to fix it and doesn't make the gap go in properly. They just don't care what they do. Okay. And yeah, we may have to lift up the light and fix the light here. If it bend, don't worry, we may lift up until the light we go up into the gap, and you get to correct one. So we fix the gap for him too. So that's the problem when they hit the kangaroos, reinforcing like that, damage this one as well. See, the kangaroo very big one, and it slide right in here. Beat up this one, and make sure you connect all the wire or the sensor on this one. The wire cable side. Okay. Oh, they are here. Shit. This part out, I may leave outside, put this one back, and then put a bit of silicone, so make sure it stay there forever and never come up. So we can see and try to fix this one, lift this one up. They don't fix for you, you see. You wish, man, you dreaming. To replace the radiator, come and do it for me. I gave them $200 for just undo this one for me, and I put everything back together for them. No bolt here, see, no bolt here. And what we do is have to take up all the main bolts. Even the light have to take up, because this frame, they come in together one pieces with the bloody radiator inside, and disconnect the hose. All the front ends is one of the most car have a lot of bolt and screw for undo this front end. Now we lose all the bolts out. Now the 4 main bolt, we take this bar out, and you can slide the whole lot out with the condenser, the hoses, the water hose. See, it's a lot of hoses. Okay, so we show it here. I don't know what they've been doing. Okay, my master been join the wire here, so we connect the wire there and disconnect there and disconnect the bottom one. So one top one, pull the clip here, pull this one out, put on the pin on the top here, and then all you do is just gig it until the water got out. Do the top one and the bottom one the same, and after that we just kick it. Okay, don't break it, don't twist and turn, you may break the radiator again. Okay, just patient, see, patient. Okay, yeah, got the top one out. Now we do the top one. Take all 4 bolts out, the whole chunk should become loose. So what we do is take off bit by bit, and remember how to get back out, how you back in. Okay, very simple. Oh, one more here, bastard, from Simon Tools. Okay, get it out. You see, this one came up. Now you can see the whole wall. So after we take the whole frame like this, come out, and it should come up, and we have to fix the bit of body because the kangaroo hit that way, and this one pop in, this one pop in. It not light up the light, so we have to do a bit of repair here and both sides. So make sure they go in evenly. You see, so we go on evenly. Okay. So now all we do is just pull it out. See, this one up, this one up, this one up here. Later slide them on. Let's see, this one away. Put this one away. For the bolt and okay. You can tilt it like this way. Okay, tilt it like that. And get this one off. Yeah. All we do is just get the flat screwdriver, pop it up from here, and tilt it out. Here we go. Flat screwdriver and pop it up from here, and it should come up. Yeah, you see, I pop it up now. All I do is let that. This one side, and leave this one side. One out. See? On the top here somewhere. But anyway, you see how it look like, and we've got plenty of room to put our hand in here now. Okay, we don't give a damn. See this one? It's annoying bastard. You see? Just want this little tiny march in here. It's annoying. Look, right there. We just leave it like that. Okay, now we can have hand to undo them, and see if we can buy this. We buy the right one. Okay, luckily it's exactly the same. You see, exactly the same. So when you open up, make sure you put a bit of new O-rings for me, please. So the engine will run beautiful, beautiful from Simon built. No comments, no complaining, no oil running out, no water leak. Really good. So tensioner, where the tensioner here, easy, just release and pick up this one. Easy replace the air compressor. Number 13. Just 3 bolts and you can get them out. Okay, and this come up. Okay, put a new one up. New one. I got to keep the new one like my baby. Okay, new one. Give me saw hand. Oh. Now, most important is light up this one, that one, the gap here, the gap here, and the group here, and the groups on the top one. Yep. Good luck for someone replace the alternator for this one as well. Good luck, okay? Very pun on the ass, pun on the jobs. 16 over here. Okay, now we've got everything tight like this. Okay, now get my O-ring box, put the new O-rings on every single one of them. The car looked very ugly after we tried to do something with this car. Very ugly, especially no room at all for undo anything. With a blink my eye, number 17, push this one up and use that one there, and it will be loose here. What I do is undo the 3 bolts, and we get it out and put a new one on. And I have to get the air. I installed a new condenser, and I get the air, push it in, hold one end and push one end, see if the air leak anyway. Put one hand here very hard and use air compressor, blow them in, and it's no leak at all. Really good. Now I try to install them on. Make sure no dust in there, and I got all sort of O-rings here. Old one, new one, good one, shit one, everything here. So get this one out. We get the size. We go. I prefer the purple one. Purple is very strong. Or green one. Or the green one is mainly for the gas. So what I do is lift like that. Put it in. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh, it's heavy, man. That's it. All I do is lead it down like this and push it down. Okay. Push it down. And it go on the gap. And I lift the whole lot up, and I'll be happy. When you attack this one up into the level there, we put the hose on first, everything before we bolt. Okay, so make sure that just put 1 or 2 bolts holding here, and in case it came up, and now you can bolt the hoses, wire, everything. And yeah, it's looking good now. They didn't install in properly for my brother, so what I do is try to fix the light level first with the gap before we put that one on. But there is another solution for you guys out there. You can do without taking this one off, by take up this air thing, this one, and take up all the fairing underneath, and take up, well, the front covers, they have to come off to take up this bolt here and that bolt there, and you can push it tilt that way, drop the whole chunk. But by that way it takes you longer and very hard to do. If they're making a crossbar by metal here, we are laughing. We just take out the crossbar and chop up the whole thing, but they don't do that way for you. So this is the only way. Okay, all in. Now what I do is just try to put the light and do the body work and make sure they go in the gap. This is what I want. I want all the gap and the light that are coming together. See, got to be flat. Okay, no pop out. Okay, the last bit to go is this one. Yesterday I let it out and to see if I can dry it up, and all the gap I will fix without any worries. So all good. See, no more pop out from here, and ready to go in. My mission will complete. Replace air compressor, condenser, and ready to put back everything, but it's still wet. I can't go underneath and put all the fairing bottom one out. Start up and check for the pulleys. Working good, no wobbling or anything. It's ready to put the gas on and ready to book him more. And you can see how quiet the engine is. Very surprising me. Very cool, very quiet engine. Not bad. Let it run and get the bubble in. Fill up all the water and make sure checking for any leak. Or maybe when you push the hoses on, make sure you get the hose and in the clip, and put the clip in all the groups and all the sensor, the light sensor and reverse camera sensor. So I have to hook the wire in properly, and it should be all right. Okay. Now we take the car for refill the gas, and my job will be complete. More gas in. You can hear it's working now, the pump. Touch it here if you feel cold. Yes, beautiful. Cold straight away. Very good compressor. Lucky I bought the good second-hand one. Looking good, sound good for him. Pump up for him, okay? See, and you feel here, you can see it's cold straight away. See, cold straight away. Now we got beautiful low cold air. Outside is 19.5 degrees Celsius, but you can feel the cold air coming out. So really very good news. So luckily we did got the second-hand compressor and condenser working well. It all depends how long it lasts for. I don't know. Okay, hopefully it lasts him for a while. Now we drive home and put our foot on with the test drive with the engine still smooth, beautiful, no complaint about it. Okay.